Hey guys, I'm Alex. Welcome to another property tour. So for this video, I will be giving you a tour of the Dana model unit here in Camella. So it has a floor area of 85 square meters and a lot area of 99 square meters. So let's go check out this house. So as you walk into the house, you are greeted with this beautifully interiored property. So over here is your living area, and on the right side is your dining area. So I love the cool pale tones of this house because it's so pretty and it makes the space seem more spacious. So over here is your kitchen. So they even have this countertop over here, so extra space. And since this is actually a model unit, take note that this is not the turnover unit. So the purpose of having a model unit is to show you what your house can look like after you have improved it. And then we have a maid's room here on the first floor. So this is the maid's room, and then we also have a toilet and bath over here. So let's go on to the second floor. Over here on the second floor, there are 3 bedrooms, so that makes it a total of 3 plus 1. That means 3 bedrooms and 1 maid's quarters. So this is the master bedroom. The master bedroom has its own toilet and bath, which is over here. And the second bedroom is right here. And the third bedroom is over here. So there's also a common toilet and bath on the second floor. Okay, so that ends the property tour for this property. If you have any questions, if you're interested in viewing this property, then just let me know in the comment section down below and then we can set a meeting. Till next time!